And they've had to break the law for years to help their sick children. But tonight, Georgia families who depend on cannabis oil have some new hope.
Now, this afternoon, state lawmakers filed legislation that would pave the way for a handful of approved vendors to grow and manufacture CBD in Georgia. And as Fox 5's Claire Sims reports now from the state capitol, that would mean that they no longer have to break federal law to get it.
Right now, patients on Georgia's low THC oil registry can have up to 20 ounces of the oil in their possession, but they have to break federal law to bring it here from out of state. This bill aims to change that.
We were able to wean off of Klonopin, Neurontin, Topamax, Keppra, and phenobarbital.
Katie Harrison says CBD oil has made a huge difference for her son Hawk, who suffers from seizures. And she was one of dozens at the Capitol to show her support for Georgia's HOPE Act. State Representative Micah Gravely filed the bill Thursday, which would establish an in-state distribution program so that people like Harrison don't have to smuggle oil into the state. His plan would create a state oversight board and allow up to 10 state licensed vendors to grow, process, and manufacture medical cannabis oil in Georgia. It would also require third-party lab testing of the oil.
So they know that the medicine that they're getting here in the state of Georgia is safe and it's going to be effective for their diagnosis.
According to the Department of Public Health, the state currently has 8,400 active patients on the low THC oil registry. Patients with more than a dozen conditions are eligible to participate, including seizures, Alzheimer's, and PTSD. But Harrison says many cannot afford to travel out of state to access the drug, and that's why this bill is so important.
I can't tell you how different his life would be if we just had not even had the chance to try it. And we had the means to do that, but there are so many families who don't, and that's why we're here. Well, and that's why we'll continue fighting, because it's not just about Hawk.
I did speak to some vocal opponents of medical cannabis, but they said they wanted to review the bill before making any comment. Reporting at the state capitol, Claire Sims, Fox 5 News.